Hey, what up? Do you guys want to watch episode 3 of Chainsaw Man with me? I think so. Before we get into that, let's get into this. It's hops. So I used to be a little bit of a drug user. Now that I'm sober, I gotta find other ways to calm my nerves. And hops is what they put in beer to give you that relaxing feeling or whatever. Just on my herbal medicinal shit now. Doesn't taste bad. It's sweet. And I'm actually really low on that because I take it to go to sleep. But no sleepyheads here. Anyway, y'all probably already watched Chainsaw Man. I may be a little late to the game, but I don't care, okay? We're watching it now. Maybe you already seen it, and maybe you want to see somebody else's opinion on it because maybe you thought it was ass, or maybe you thought it was really good.
Please keep it down, you two. Right. That I shall. Huh? Thank you. Good girl.
Does Makima give like mommy energy to y'all?
I doubt you'd understand such sentiment for the likes of a feline. Prospect of groping breasts intriguing. I'll let you touch mine as a reward for saving Gally.
I'll murderize them. Straight kill the shit out of that asshole!
That's really funny. This intro is really good.
The American matter has got the Soviet war hawks crowing louder and louder by the day.
So basically, right now, Denji, our main boy, is going with power to help get her cat back from a devil who took it from her, and in exchange for that, she's going to let him touch her boobs. Okay? But what I want to know is, they refer to the Soviets in this little scene, and I'm like, is this supposed to be like like not in modern times?
And the more a devil's name is feared by the world, the more powerful it becomes. What's interesting is how Denji's part devil. The chainsaw devil at that.
So she's implying that Denji is a powerful MF.
You said he'd use the cat as a fluffy shield the second he saw you, right? So should you even be this close to where they're hiding?
Oh, that was my story, wasn't it?
Your story?
Damn, she got him. She tricked him.
You had no qualms leaving me to wait, did you, Blood Devil?
What matters is that I've met your demands. Is it not that?
My first meal in ages. And since it's a young man and his blood, with your human blood, I'll heal my arm and right the wrongs your kind committed.
I brought you a human as promised. You've no reason to keep meowing.
But I haven't punished you for bringing such nasty fare.
Grow big and strong. I'm eager for the day I can finally slaughter
I'm really
you.
fucking with this this picture here with her with the cow's head in her lap, and she's all naked and she's feeding this like scrawny ass cat, but she looks absolutely crazy.
Blood's precisely what I need. Lest you want to end all 9 lives of this cat, bring me a human being.
Her first friend ever, and she was took.
It's a dreadful feeling.
Why she let herself get swallowed like that?
All this nauseating blood!
He talking about it's nasty, but he's still eating it. Shut the fuck up.
Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
Cough up the tit.
I wonder how she felt trying to sleep, knowing that devil had meowing.
I love her eyes, like Power.
I don't give a shit about this guy! Not
That was weird, right? Like his mouth. But I love that sound, like that high pitch, like ringing.
I've gone through a whole lot of crap up till now. Been patient as a freaking saint.
This is supposed to be some fan service for us, because you could have kept that. I didn't need to see him with the shirt open. Okay, so what did we just watch? So Denji had agreed to try to get Power's cat back from a devil who stole it from her in exchange for groping her titties. Now, Power had tricked him because little did he know that she was exchanging the cat for Denji, but it did not go according to her plan because the devil ate the cat and ran away. And essentially Denji is now battling the devil, trying to get his chance to feel some titties. Anyway, if you want to watch the next episode with me, like me up, comment me up, subscribe me up, and let's do it. Bye bye.